shepherding, New Jersey bound, and sound asleep they'll find you at your most vulnerable position. Speak up, let out, and down the street.
Hey guys, this is Dade7117. Got something a little different today. Got some packs of EX Sandstorm to open. So let's check it out. I'll start with Zangoose. Oh, by the way, this isn't how much I paid for them. So.
Oh,
anyways,
good for you!
let's check them out. Hoping to get a Whale Lord out of this. Whale Lord EX, that would be nice. Okay. Starting off, we got a Duskull, Mysterious Fossil Trainer, a Meryl, a Growlithe, a Trainer Root Fossil, a Natu Reverse, and a Cacleon is the rare.
Oh.
Guess I didn't do that right. Either that or maybe the maybe it's different on this set. Cacleon, Lileep, and Wally's Training. Okay. Start with the Dusclops pack. Okay, so I should just leave it like this and it should be good. C-Dot, an Aeron, a Marill, a Sparrow, a Psyduck, a Nuzleaf, Rare Candy, that's pretty cool. Right on. Wally's Training Reverse, and a Golduck.
Boring!
Nothing really great so far. Hope I didn't waste my money, but I guess we'll see.
Stop whining!
Okay, got an Onyx, a Mysterious Fossil Trainer, Sandshrew, an Eevee. Whoa, sweet! Aggron EX.
Yeah!
Right on. And that was somewhere in the middle. It's really weird. I wonder if these racks or these packs are just random, but that's cool. Okay, Illumise, a Xatu, a Shroomish Reverse, and a Shiftry rare. That's really weird. So you can get, I guess you can get 2 packs in these rares, or 2 rares in these packs. It's really strange. Anyways, because I got a reverse also, that Shroomish Reverse. I don't know, man. Kind of random. I'll take it though. Okay, last pack. Let's check it out. Natu, Aeron, Skitty, a Duskull. Oh, cool. A Ludicolo Hollow, which is pretty sweet looking. I like that. An Arbok, a Pharaoh, an Ammonite Reverse, and an Umbreon. So cool, that's another. It's really weird. I can't figure this set out, but I'm happy. So let's review. I got an Umbreon. It's not a hollow, but that's still really cool. Ludicolo, which is a hollow and is super cool. That Aggron EX, which is just awesome. Very excited. And Shiftry, which is a rare. So got more rares than I counted on in this. It's really weird. Got a few others in here, but I can't really remember what they were. They must not have been anything just great. So Oh man, sorry
Great
guys.
Odin's raven.
Oh, and I got that rare candy also. So, that's it for now. And thanks for joining me, and we will see you later.
Let's fire it up. Ha ha. Don't let them scare you. When you're down on the floor bleeding faster.
Well?
What's the matter?